This is a 2D technical drawing from Autodesk Inventor. You don't need the expensive software to print it, just use the free Inventor View tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the download. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust IDW file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. An IDW file is a drawing file created by Autodesk Inventor, a professional 3D CAD software. It contains 2D engineering drawings, often derived from 3D models, used for manufacturing and documentation purposes. IDW files can include multiple views, dimensions, annotations, and parts lists, providing a comprehensive representation of the design. IDW files are structured to store graphical data, annotations, and metadata related to the drawing. They support various drawing standards and conventions, allowing engineers to create precise and detailed representations of their designs. The format allows for linking to 3D models, ensuring that changes in the model are reflected in the drawing. Version control and collaboration features are often integrated. Official support for IDW is primarily provided through Autodesk Inventor from Autodesk, Inc. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows won't display parametric or assembly data, so full access depends on dedicated modeling tools. Your first step towards recovery: right-click the IDW file and choose Open With. If Autodesk Inventor is an option, select it first. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. Compatibility is key. When your IDW file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, use Inventor. Open the file using Autodesk Inventor, the required application for the drawing. Next, check part assembly reference. Ensure the part.assembly file referenced by the drawing is present in the same directory or accessible via the reference path. Finally, use Viewer. If the program is unavailable, use the free Autodesk Inventor View application. When standard associations break, it's typically because the IDW label is being used by an uncommon or proprietary application. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Forget manual fixes. FileMagick is the universal solution I recommend for the IDW format. Get your copy at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel. Your time watching is highly valued.